to bring you the constant variety of sport, the thrill of victory and the agony of defeat, the human drama of athletic competition. This is ABC's Wide World of Sport.
On March 18, 1967, the ABC television network telecast the World Series of Skiing in Vail, Colorado. During the telecast, Ampex Corporation demonstrated its new HS100 video disc recorder. The HS100 captured live video images on disc rather than on magnetic tape. Sports viewers could now experience consistent high-quality slow motion and instant replay sequences of all the exciting action. The machine could capture up to 30 seconds of live, high-quality color images for immediate instant replay. Using the HS100 recorder control box, the operator selected specific video sequences and could play them backwards or forwards at varying speeds. The core of the machine was a high-speed 16-inch wide aluminum disc, about 3/16 of an inch thick, and weighing about 5 pounds. It was polished to a mirror finish and was capable of storing video images in an analog format. The advantage of disc recording over conventional videotape is that it produced a much more durable, higher quality recording. Creation of the aluminum disc. Starting with the aluminum substrate, a layer of non-magnetic nickel coating was applied. Next, a composite of cobalt nickel phosphorus was added. The final layer was composed of rhodium for hardness and durability. The HS100, which sold for $110,000, was the first commercially available high-quality color video disc recording machine. Ampex announced an improved version called the HS200 in 1968. The HS200 teleproduction system was a computer-controlled disc recorder with a full-size control console. For travel to remote locations, the HS100 was a better choice, but both were compatible. One notable company that provided aluminum recording discs for the Ampex video disc systems was Metal Surfaces Incorporated. MSI was established in 1954 to provide precision plating to the aviation, aerospace, electronic, military, and other industries. Early precision-made discs were very costly. For that reason, it was usually cost-effective to have damaged discs refurbished. A closely related company that provided refurbished discs was Computer Magnetics Corporation, CMC, of Burbank, California. Here is a 1970s CMC refurbished HS100 disc in its original packing case. CMC provided a number of quality products and services from its founding in 1969 throughout the 1970s and beyond. Some of this instant replay technology can be seen in the June 1972 episode of The Dick Cavett Show.
Ladies and gentlemen, Dick Cavett!
And this is really interesting, this machine. Can you see this machine? It looks like something you would find under Hugh Hefner's sofa bed or something, but it's a device called the, what is it called?
Slow motion.
Slow motion device, or slow-mo, they call it in the trade. Can you explain briefly what this is and,
Yes,
and how it works? This is one of the most ingenious things
Yes,
I've ever
these
seen.
buttons here control the motion of the picture being played back. And actually, Dick, I have your opening on here if you'd like to see it again.
Let's explain one thing now. This show, you know, most of television is on videotape, which you can take out and hold in your hand. It's a strip about this wide, right?
Yes.
But this does not involve tape. It's
It's
on...
a metallic disc, two
Yeah.
metallic discs.
Can you get a shot of that disc over there? It's another part of the machine. That thing, that surface that you're looking at, tell me if I'm wrong now, it's spinning right now, isn't it? The big flat disc is spinning at 3,600 RPM, so if you touched it with your finger, it would burn.
Oh, definitely.
That's amazing. Well, okay, so you do this on that disc rather than on...
Four video heads, yes.
Video heads. Okay. Now, can you show me exactly how you got my opening as I
Yes,
came
we
out?
have.
And you can instantly
Yes.
replay it and fool with it. Look, now watch what happens. Just it doesn't take sound.
No, it
just
doesn't.
picture. Yeah. Now you can slow that up or anything
Yes, you can.
you want to do with it.
Would you like to go backwards?
Sure. How does it go? Could you stop it? I'm getting a little sick. Now, the next thing we're going to do, let me just show you some of the ingenious things this can perform. Somebody wanted to buy one of these for fun, say for Mother's Day or something. What would it cost?
Between 35 and 40,000, I imagine.
40,000? Do you get a guarantee with it?
Oh, definitely.
Everyone can have one. Now,